What's up? I got my last two sauces from the New York City Hot Sauce Expo here, and I tried two of the four I picked up there. One was from the Fuego box I pulled out. This is the Culley's. This Culley's Applewood, and it says heat factor is 4 out of 10. It wasn't very hot, like all four of these. I tried them at the expo, and it's why I bought them. Yeah, this was very good. This is a chocolate habanero. It's a chocolate habanero, applewood smoked, a fiery barbecue style hot sauce. 4 out of 10 in heat. It was really delicious. Kinda in between. It's not like crazy thick. There is some play there on the bubble. So, but yeah, I remember it being very good. I got a sandwich here that Jordan brought home, but I forgot a spoon. I'll be right back with a spoon to try this first. Alright, I got a spoon. Give this another shake before I open it. And I'll try some first. Looks like a little bit got solid on the top there. Yeah. Smells like a good barbecue sauce. Alright, there you go. And up. Oh yeah. Smells really good. This is Culley's Applewood. I believe Bear picked this up. Not sure if he, I think he gave it to someone as a gift, or no, probably not, because he says it was very good, so he must have tried it. And some of the chunky part that was at the top. Yeah. Someone else tried this, I forgot who, but here, yeah, it's almost, yeah, it's pretty close to a barbecue sauce, but it's pretty awesome. Good heat. The heat feels like, yeah, it's very mild. And well, this is 4 out of 10, so that might be accurate. Yeah, in my 1 out of 5, there's probably 2, yeah, 2 maybe. So this sandwich, man, Jordan came home with these chicken chipotle. There's avocado in there, peppers. So here's some with this Culley's. Yeah. good, man. The first two I opened were the the Jersey Bonfire, the Indian Summer, and man, that is a good sandwich. Jersey Bonfire, Indian Summer, and the Queen Majesty. Queen Majesty. It was red habanero and black coffee. That one is almost gone. It's probably a quarter down. Probably my favorite. And I have to admit, I'm kind of a picky eater with the sauce was good, but once I learned it had the anchovies, it kind of turned me off just a little bit. But I'm still gonna eat it. But I've been using the Queen Majesty a lot more. The Queen Majesty's almost gone. So here's Benito's hot sauce. This is the Poto Rojo. This is a blood orange hot sauce. Reaper and blood orange hot sauce. This, Aaron, when we were at the expo, Aaron showed this to me, and he said he had tried it and it was very good. So we both tried it again there. It's Carolina Reaper from Benito's hot sauce. There's a whole backstory here on that, and ingredients are Carolina Reaper peppers from Half Pint Farms, and blood orange juice, red peppers, onions, lime juice, and carrots from Full Moon Farms. They're mentioning, I guess, some growers there. White vinegar. And I did try it, and it was pretty awesome too. It wasn't terribly hot. It wasn't like a Reaper sauce. I mean, you know, the Reaper sauces we're used to. So it was nice and tangy. You can taste the blood orange in it, and let's see. All right. I had a blade up here. Haven't seen it in a while. Oh, there's the. I should grab the Batman blade, right? Shake this up. Shake. Let me cover this. I gotta wipe that down. Here's the Poto Rojo. Poto Rojo. Poto Rojo. Very good smell. I think I can smell the carrots. I think with a little citrus. I can see a bit of it got hard on there. I'll save that bit for the sandwich. Once I drop it there. Okay, I'll get some of the, just dropped a chunk there. I'll get some on the spoon to taste before the sandwich. All right, it's nice thick sauce. I really like the consistency, and yeah, it kind of blew me away over there. Nice citrus flavor, from what I remember. The blood orange are working and they're good. I'm just smelling. Yeah, some nice ingredients there. You can smell some onions, and I think I can smell the carrots a little bit. Yeah, you can taste the blood orange. Nice citrusy. Starts burning right away. This is much hotter than Culley's. Oh yeah. Heat's climbing. Wow. I'm probably getting more heat than what I tasted at the expo. Yeah, that has a little Reaper heat, right? I don't know. I had a few beers, so all right. Wow, much hotter than I remember. It's pretty hot. All right, I'm gonna try with my chicken sandwich. That is good Reaper sauce. It's not overpowering, although it's burning me a little more than I remember. I did have a few few drops on that spoon. It has a very nice burn. Still very good. You can taste all the ingredients, and it's not it's not overpowering heat. It lets you enjoy some flavor there. I just went back to the Culley's too. Both great sauces, and yeah, that's why we picked these up at the expo. We tasted so many. Aaron tasted a lot more than I did, and yeah. It was a pretty cool show, man. So many great sauces, but these we ended up with, and I'm glad I did. These are two very good ones, as well as the first two I showed. Not sure where you could find these. I'm sure you could find Culley's at their website, but Benito's hot sauce, I'm not sure. I will look this up, and maybe if I find anything, might include a description down below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.